In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to Black Flash in Jujutsu Shenanigans Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to perform the Black Flash as Gojo in Jujutsu Shenanigans if you are playing on an Xbox. So as you can see, by using Reversal Red Max and doing a specific combination of buttons, I'll be able to perform a Black Flash. As you saw, the text appeared on screen alongside the crazy effects. So all that you have to do if you want to perform a Black Flash as Gojo is to first get his awakened form. So fill out the awakening bar and then activate it. Now, of course, I'm doing this on a private server, so I have infinite cooldowns and infinite awakening form, but if you are playing against other people in a normal server, you will have to fill it out manually by attacking others, and once it is filled, you can walk up to an enemy. All that you have to do now is use Reversal Red Max. So I'm playing on a controller, I'm gonna press the left trigger. And then when you press the left trigger or whatever equivalent button you have to use Reversal Red Max, you have to start holding left on the D-pad, which is your special. So start holding left on the D-pad, and now this is what's gonna happen. You will throw out the Reversal Red Max orb, it is going to pierce through an enemy, come back, and then drag the enemy towards your arm. And as long as you are holding the special button, you will grab them and punch them subsequently. Keep in mind that if you don't hit an enemy with this, it's actually going to knock you back. So as you can see here, the Reversal Red Max attack just comes back to us and ragdolls us back. So it's very important that you aim this carefully and only use it when you get a proper opening on an enemy. So again, all that you have to do is press left trigger or use the Reversal Red Max and start holding left on the D-pad, and the enemy is going to get dragged towards you, and automatically you will perform a Black Flash. If you want to perform a Black Flash as other characters, usually you will need to press a specific button in order or twice with very strict timing. But as Gojo, this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to Black Flash in Jujutsu Shenanigans Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.